In today's video, I will walk you through how to find your Gate referral code. Your referral code allows you to invite friends to join the platform, and if they sign up using your code and meet the program requirements, you may be eligible to receive referral rewards. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account profile. Next, look for the referral. It's typically easy to find within your account or rewards menu. Open the referral page, and you'll see your unique referral code along with your referral link. Your referral code is a short combination of letters and numbers, while your referral link automatically includes the code so new users can register through it. To share your referral code, simply tap the copy button next to the code or referral link. You can then paste it into a message, email, or social media post to invite your friends and family to join Gate. Gate also includes a share button, allowing you to send your referral link directly through messaging apps or social media platforms without copying it manually. Keep in mind that referral rewards are subject to Gate's terms and conditions. Your referrals usually need to complete certain requirements, such as account registration, identity verification, or eligible trading activity, before rewards are credited. And that's it. You've successfully found your Gate referral code and are ready to start inviting others to the platform.